Ta-da! Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? We have counters in. What do you think, Poof? Yeah? You hungry? Is that what's going on? Look at that. Beautiful. Check this one out. Oh, yeah. So, now that those are in, it is backsplash time. Right? 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 Huh? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the kitchen. I know it's been a while. Kind of took a break there while we were waiting for the counters to be made and delivered and installed. And I don't know if you remember, we had to get a smaller cabinet here because when this drawer was pulled out, it hit the rail. It's kind of bumping a little bit against it right now because I have it pulled out for some tile work, but I'll push it back in, it'll go in just fine. So we had to wait, we had this cabinet in there and had to wait till this one was built and delivered. Then I got this in. Then we could order the cabinet measurements, and then the measuring guy came, measured, got the order in, and then a couple weeks later we got the countertops in. It was worth the wait. I hope you will agree. I love these countertops. They're subtle, yet they're fun. Anyway, I don't remember where we left off last time. I know you probably haven't seen our knobs. It took us 2 months to pick. We were going to go with something a little bit more extravagant, but $2 a pop versus $10 a pop when you have 31 knobs. Yeah, I'm not made of money. I'm trying to think of what else. I don't know. Let's see, we got all the tar up from the floor in the hall. We've ripped up the carpet in the hallway, so now we officially have no more carpet on the main floor. Hi, Liesel. You want to say hi? Speak. Speak. No? All right. Poor thing. All right. So, you can see I've been doing some tiling. The goal for the rest of the day is to finish the tiling in the main part of the kitchen. Don't know how far I'm going to get. I have to move this cabinet over about 1.25 inches. I got a spacer I'm going to put in there. I got to replace that spacer so it goes all the way to the top. I've decided I am going to swap the spacer below this cabinet and put it above the cabinet and move the cabinet down so it's right over the fridge. Make it a little easier to access. And then we're off. Anyway, here we go. All right, it is Sunday afternoon and we're done for today. I ran out of spacers. Plus, I don't really want to go outside and cut any more tile. And let me show you why. I've been having to boil water just to keep the tile saw from turning into icicles. It's 5 degrees out. And well, it looks like the last bit of boiled water I put in here works, but check out the icicles hanging from there. The ice builds up on the blade. Check that out. Then when I run a piece of tile through, it grabs the ice and splits the tile in half. So yeah, there we go. This has not been fun to keep warm. So I'm going to say we're done for now.
Yay!
And there you have it. Tile is up. It's up. It's up. It's done. Look at all that tile. Tile. Everywhere. But it's in. Hey, Liesel. What's going on? Now, next step, grout.